Hello guys and welcome back to Maxime channel, a channel in which we have the craziest road moments caught on camera. As usual, we prepared another epic episode and hopefully you'll enjoy watching it. If you like my type of work, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button, because it helps this channel grow. With that being said, let's get this episode started. These bikers wanted to go to a place where they thought there were trails. On their way there, they ended up on a private property where a not so friendly owner waited them. Check it out.
It's no quality on the mic that I don't have. My hands punched through a rock like an Apollo jab. When I was
Uh-oh, looks like someone is really upset about bikers riding through the forest here.
For us to sit down here where you're allowed to ride, don't ride up here and make it hard for all the riders. You guys come
Never
up
had
here, that's when the cops start coming up here and making
been
it hard
riding out here for 15 years, mate, and never had a problem. You're the first time they ever took about
There's
it.
plenty of places, this conservation area, it's the only place that you
Been
can't
riding out here
ride.
15
Go
years,
ride in
mate,
state
and you're the
forest where
first
you can
cunt to
ride
have a
wherever
whinge
you
about
fucking
it.
want. Go ride in the state forest where you can ride wherever you want. This is a conservation area, there's all of them around. We need to keep these places for what they are. Go and ride where you're allowed to ride, and we're not going to it up for everyone else.
Yeah, have a
This
good
is
day.
one place where horses and bikes and
Yeah, we
runners
see
and
him.
shit
We
can
see
go
him every time,
without having
mate.
to worry about
And you're
you
the only
guys.
person who's ever took
Well,
about it.
Yeah, but have you noticed
Go somewhere, just be considerate of other people. This is one area where other people use, where there's safe people on bikes.
there's more and more people starting to ride dirt bikes. If everyone
If
starts
everyone
to
came
do
out here and
this,
started to do off,
you'll have police around here all the time.
for everyone.
The horses.
Yeah, what the f*** is whinging
Why
about?
not just do the right thing?
I ride, and I don't want for my life to be harder because you can't.
How the f*** am I making your life harder?
Because I don't want to register my bike. Simple as that.
Well, you're illegal already, aren't ya?
Yeah, but I'm not making it hard on anyone else.
You're riding out there, it's no different.
Make it hard on other
Just
people.
go
But inconsiderate.
This is where it all went down south. Spoiler alert, brace yourself for one nasty argument.
Now, Jesus Christ! You see that mirror? You're supposed to use it. Use the mirror. What are you gonna do? Jump out there and do what? For nearly having me off? Use your mirror. You idiot. Bruv, ain't you bruv either?
Whenever you don't have the patience and energy to deal with road rager, you can always put your earphones and blast your favorite music, just like this biker here.
I don't give a f. I'll go to jail to punch you stupid ass out. I don't want to go to jail, but I do want to make a point here.
Okay, call your cops. Are the cops coming?
No, I'm waiting for them to call the cops.
They're not going to call the cops. You're already out of the building. They don't care.
I just don't like you, man. And I kind of want to break your jaw. But I'm not going to go to jail today. That's the only reason.
That's fine.
You know what? You'd be one hurt unit right now.
Cool. Then that's fine. Recover.
Recovery.
Just go over.
Camera, man. Want to race?
Want
to race?
I don't care.
Want to race?
I'm trying to enjoy weekend off.
So what? You want to race?
No, I don't give.
Yes, I got something at home.
I don't care.
Me too, because then you're.
Oh my god, dude! Like,
Damn! Great the job, buddy.
Bro, I don't know why you're so angry.
I just don't like you, man.
These cyclists came across an angry pack of dogs. The whole situation was really intense, and they barely managed to go through their territory.
Shit! Vilken rum!
A Harley rider that is about to appear on the left side is about to lose control of his bike and crash. Stay tuned to see how it happened and what this biker did to help.
Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you.
Anybody travelling with children, we hate you.
Good? Thanks, brother. Yeah, you got it, dude. You okay, though? I'm good.
Why? 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 Why?
Even though the biker was waiting for the light to turn green in his own lane, another crazy driver creeped up from behind and pushed him out of his lane as she passed by.
С той полосы только направо поворот. Да? Да. Ну и что это такое? В меня перестроился. Нормально? Сказать нечего, да?
One rider lost control of his bike at a curve and he crashed. His buddies immediately stopped to check on him, and luckily he was unharmed.
Yeah, just push her off the road. Push her on the road.
Cops pulled over one biker that was actually doing the speed limit, and the rest of them that was wilding all over the road, well, they got away casually with what they did.
Yeah, what's happening, bro?
What's the problem, man? Why y'all...
This is why we always say check your mirrors before changing lanes. In this situation, the driver didn't use his mirrors as he switched lanes, and as a result, the biker almost crashed. Biker got pulled over because he didn't indicate as he changed lanes. Officer saw that and he pulled him over immediately. It was supposed to be a routine check, but there was a twist to it. Stay tuned to see what happened.
Over there? I can't hear. Can I cut my music off?
Yeah, go ahead.
Take the helmet off.
Your driver's license, registration,
Yeah.
insurance. I'm Officer Ferguson. The reason we pulled you over is because when you almost cut me off, you didn't use a signal to even change lanes. You failed to use the signal.
That was total
I'm telling you,
accident.
the little light didn't come on, so.
I'm sorry about that.
And you're kind of in and out of traffic, so we'll just pull you over, make sure everything's good.
No, yeah, honestly.
4 weeks, man.
What?
Your license expired 4 weeks ago.
That's the day I registered the bike.
You should have got your driver's license registered.
I didn't know. I didn't know.
When's your birthday?
10/31/91. Oh. Really?
I went to the VA that day. I had an appointment at the VA. I registered my bike because I just got it like 2 days. No, yeah, 2 days before that. And I had to go back to the VA.
Now you gotta go back to the TMP.
That's gonna be nice tonight.
That's gotta be worse than going to the VA.
Thank you. Just be careful when you're riding, man. Cutting in and out of traffic. Yeah. I ride too, so.
These bikers went out to enjoy a nice ride on a beautiful day, but unfortunately, their fun was cut short as one bike caught fire and burned.
Nisam ja, bre, sam.
Nema veze, pazi, nešto se zapalilo. Čekaj. Boli me kurac, nek izgori.
Ali brate, opet da ne mora se jebati na otvori.
Ček.
Žice, one su, moraju biti naša druga, evo.
Stani da izvučem ovo. Ovo, ovdje, stani, gori ovdje. Unutra, stani. Wow. Čekaj da zovem, brate, bar da dođe. Daj. Kurac, nema šansu. Wow. You have a pliers or anything so I can just remove the battery? You have a wires or something? Pliers, so I can remove this one. Any pliers? Anyone? Yeah. Idi s njim, uzmi ove pliers. Nema veze. Skini ovaj drugi.
Neće ti, ne može, džabat je sad. Ako nema masu, može kurac pušiti. Ali skinit ću i njega kocka, ajde.
Icy road is danger spelled with capital D for bikers, especially if you have bad tires. And with this clip, we reached the end of yet another episode on Maxime channel. I hope you enjoyed in this one as well, and perhaps you learned a thing or two from the mistakes we showed you. Traffic is full of crazy drivers and riders, and it's up to us to focus as hard as we can when we are part of it. Until the next episode, ride safe and take care.